Welcome to Easy Peasy Recipes, where we make quick and easy recipes with simple ingredients. Today we're making a veggie wrap with spinach tortilla, homemade guacamole, black beans, cut up vegetables, and shredded cheese. So now I'm making a guacamole. I'm using red pepper flakes, this chili powder, cilantro, my seasoning, and pepper. And I didn't put salt because acidity kind of reminds me of salt. So I didn't put any salt, but you can put salt if you want. A little bit of lemon juice. I cut up some tomatoes, onions, and peppers. I'm just smushing it all together. And if you notice, I put a pretty good amount, or a lot, of tomatoes, onions, and peppers because I also kind of want it to be like a salsa-ish kind of. Now I'm using like a potato smasher, I guess. I don't know what you call it, but veggie version, which means you can add any protein you want. You can use chicken, turkey, really whatever you want. But today we're just doing the veggie version. So first thing first, I'm gonna get a good plop of my guacamole to like keep it stick it down, and so everything just doesn't move. Release.
What does the guacamole help do?
I'm going to put guacamole on the bottom so everything can stick together. And then I'm going to use some cut up vegetables that I have. You don't want to put too much because there's already some in the guacamole. You're going to get black beans, which are really good on everything. So you can do pinto beans, whatever beans you want, but black beans are my favorite. And then you're just going to add some cheese. You can add salsa. You can really put whatever you want, but you don't want to put too much cheese. And then you're just gonna flatten it out because you don't want it to be like a taco. And you can add cream cheese, do whatever you want, and you're just going to not roll it, but you're going to do this cool star thing. Now it looks like a diamond, and you're just gonna close it like this. I know it looks really weird, but it's really good. But there you go.
And how do you get it to stick once you start to cook it?
So first you can stick like a needle in it or whatever, but not like a nail or anything, like a toothpick that's clean that you didn't put in your mouth.
Okay.
But you're gonna put butter, like you're gonna toast it, and while it's toasting and the cheese and everything will melt it together and it will most likely stay. Spinach wraps are really delicate, so you have to be very careful. So any wrap is good, but spinach wraps are very sensitive.
Okay, so how long do we toast this for?
You want to toast it for about 3 minutes on each side.
Okay. And we have our temperature at what, about medium?
Yeah.
A little over medium? Okay, so 3 minutes each.
Each side, yeah. Be sure to press down so you can really close those seams and everything, so it won't just come open when you turn it over, flip it. So press down a couple of times, and you can go over 3 minutes, but be sure that it's long enough because you really want it to be cooked all the way through. And after 3 minutes, you should be able to flip your veggie wrap, and it's okay if it's open, as you see, because it still won't get all of them. And like I said, cilantro wraps, spinach wraps are very delicate. And there you go. You can put a dollop of salsa, a dollop of sour cream, because I kept mistaking it from cream cheese. But it's sour cream because you probably don't want to do that. And you can get some cilantro. And there you go. A veggie wrap under 20 minutes.
Is it too hot to take a bite of? You want to take a bite and see what?
It looks delicious.
How's it taste?
It's really good. It is very fragile though. But it's worth it.
Let me see. Let me turn around to the bit inside. The bit inside. See that guacamole about to ooze out of there.
With the salsa, it's even better.
Oh wow, look at that cheese. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. As you drip it on the cone. That looks so good. Alright, you're getting messy. Let's put it down. Yum yum.